Hi everybody, happy Monday. Carolynn Castillo here. Just wanted to make a quick video. First of all, let me just say it is an amazing Monday in South Florida right now. It's like 70 degrees. It's practically a snow day for us, okay? Anyways, for you guys that have been following me on this little journey of a new listing that we just took in Pembroke Lakes, I wanted to kind of give you an update. It's been really exciting. So we actually posted this house for sale on a Wednesday. We did no showings Thursday, Friday. We did an open house on Saturday. We had about 65 people show up to the open house between realtors, buyers, everything. That actually generated us 15 offers. Out of those 15 offers, there was only one winner. There always is one winner. A lot of people think that the winner is just the highest price. That's not always the case. Yes, price is important, but there's also an inspection period. There's also an appraisal time. There's also a guarantee over the appraisal value. So this buyer and this realtor, they put together the best offer, and that's what made them win this. So literally, we accepted the offer. Like 2 days later, we did home inspections. This weekend, the buyer and the seller negotiated a few terms from the home inspection. They had a meeting on the minds of that. Now Monday, we're doing the appraisal. That's what I'm here doing right now. So I'm always representing my sellers when it comes to the home inspections, the open houses, the appraisers. My job today is to show the value to the appraiser of why this home got so much attention. Why did 65 people show up here? Why did we get 15 offers? Why is our contract price so much higher than the list price? This is my job today and I love it. My mom is actually an appraiser, so I know all about the appraisal world. When I meet the appraiser, I put together a really cool packet that has all the value, everything that this house has, all the money that the homeowners have spent. I mean, this house is gorgeous. They have done so much, and it's my job to articulate that to the appraiser, to present them with the information, give them what they need to not only give us a good appraisal, but all of my listings, if you check, I'm always the highest sale in the neighborhood, okay? So that's not easily done because an appraiser takes the top 3 sales and that's how they come up with the value, okay? So when you're trying to get your house to appraise for more than any of the other houses have, it's not the easiest task, but that's why I come and I provide value to the appraiser. So wish me luck today. I will definitely keep you posted and we will definitely get the highest sale in Villa Central. So if anybody else wants to sell their house right now and needs full representation, not all real estate companies do that. They don't show up for the inspections. They don't come for the appraisers. I love real estate. I love people. I am always here. Your transaction is like my little baby and you're with me the whole time and I make sure that we get you to the successful end. And another fun fact, if you're looking to buy a house in this market and you need an aggressive agent that will actually know how to land you the deal, think about this. 15 people made an offer on this house, only one got it. What did that one offer, what did they do to beat out everybody else? If you know anyone that looks to sell, if you know anybody that wants to buy, give me a call. You know how to hit me up. My number is 954-815-2121. I love to talk and I love real estate. So call me, let's work together.